everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your retail arbitrage business. So if you are also running a retail arbitrage business, then this video is definitely for you. In this video we are going to design a chatbot that will help you to manage customers' queries, place orders and promote deals. So in this video, firstly we are going to design a chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to enhance your customer's experience, then let's dive into my screen for creating your own WhatsApp chatbot.
Welcome to my screen. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for retail arbitrage business. So this chatbot will help you to stay connected with your customers by providing them daily deals and provide them the process of how to buy the products and help them to contact you. So this chatbot will help you to save your time by reducing your manual workload. So let's start creating our own WhatsApp chatbot, but firstly I am going to show you how exactly a chatbot works. For that, let's dive into my WhatsApp with me. Here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp, and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and here it is saved as retail arbitrage. So now let's send a message hello here. Here, as I'm sending the message hello, I am getting an automated welcome message that is, hi, welcome to XYZ Arbitrage Hot Deals Board. We bring you the best deals on trending products. How can I help you today? Please choose an option. And here we are getting 3 buttons, that is today's hot deals, how to buy and contact support. Now let's select our first button, that is today's hot deals. As I'm selecting the first button, I am getting a message which consists of the list of the product. So now let's open this list and see the product itself. As I'm opening the list, I am getting some of the products. So now let's select our first product, that is wireless earbuds. As I'm selecting the first product, I am getting a message which consists of the details of this product, and even I am getting the image of this product. So now let's enroll to our another button, that is how to buy. As I'm selecting how to buy button, I am getting a message which consists of the process for buying the product. Now let's enroll to our third button, that is contact support. As I'm selecting contact support, I am getting a message which consists of the contact number, email, WhatsApp number and the timing of the retail arbitrage business. So here you can see we are having a fully functional chatbot. So you can also create a chatbot like this for your business by just using Pabbly Chatflow, which is an amazing automation platform. So for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, you just have to type its URL, that is www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Once you will enter the URL, you will get the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting 2 buttons, that is sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, you can just click on sign up free, but if you are an existing user, you can click on sign in. But as I have already an account on Pabbly, I will just click on sign in. Once you finish your sign up, you will get this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see these are the apps provided by Pabbly. You can access any of these apps according to you, but for creating a chatbot, we just need to access Pabbly Chatflow app. In this Pabbly Chatflow app, here you can see we are getting 2 buttons, that is access now and learn more. For accessing the Pabbly Chatflow, we just have to click on access now. Once you will click on access now, you will get this dashboard page of Pabbly, and here you can see this is the number I have connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account. You can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on add WhatsApp number, and here on this add WhatsApp number button, we are getting 2 options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can click on WhatsApp Connect, but if you want to connect with token number, you can just click on Manual Token Connect. Now moving on further, here we are getting the option for create a new folder. If you want to create your own folder, you can click here. Now moving on to the sidebar, here we can see these are the features provided by Pabbly. Now I am going to give you a short overview of these features. So the first feature we are getting is inbox. This is the section where we receive messages from our customer and we send them automated replies. Now the next feature we are getting is contacts. You can manage your contact list here. Now another one we are getting is team queues. You can manage your team access for managing your chatbot. Now next feature we are getting is templates. You can create your own templates from here. Now another feature we are getting is broadcast. If you want to broadcast you any message on a preferred date or time, you can click here. Now the next feature we are getting is flows. So this one is the most important feature for creating the chatbot. So flows are basically the path which our WhatsApp chatbot follows. Now moving on further, here we are getting the AI assistant. So you can create your own AI assistant from here. Now the next feature we are getting is activity log. The work done by you will be shown here. Now moving on further, here we are getting settings. You can manage your settings according to you from here. Now the last one we are getting is get help. If you need any type of help or support, you can click here. If you want to learn more about these features, you can find the video link in the description given below. Now let's start creating our WhatsApp chatbot. For that, we just have to access flows. So just click on flows here. Once you will click on flows, you will get this flow builder page, and here you can see these are the flows created by me. You can also add or create your own flow. For that, you just have to click on add flow button. Here you can see we are getting this flow page, and here we are getting the option for entering the flow names. So here you can provide the name to your flow. Here I am providing it the name WhatsApp chatbot for retail arbitrage business. You can provide name according to you. Now moving on to the flow start node, here you can see we are getting the option for entering keywords. So you might be thinking, what are keywords? So keywords are basically the triggers which a user can enter to interact with this chatbot. Now moving on further, here we are getting the option for entering regex. So regex are basically the short form for the regular expressions. These are used for the specific user input. But if you want to trigger any message, you can enter regex like this. Now moving on further, here we're getting the option for choose templates. So if you want to add template to your message, you can select template from here. Now if a user sends us a message, we are going to send them a welcome message. For that, you just have to drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting many options such as text plus button, media, list, single product message, multi-product message, single AI message, and templates. Now for providing a message, we just have to select text plus button. Once you will select text plus button, you will get this message note, and here you can enter the message you want to send to your customer. So now let's enter a welcome message for our customers. Here you can see I have entered this welcome message, and I have entered this sentence, that is, hi, welcome to XYZ Arbitrage Hot Deals Boat, between these asterisk signs to make it bold. Now I am going to add button to this message note. For that, you can see we are getting the option of add button. So just click here, and here it will ask you to enter the text. So here you have to enter the text of your button. So now let's enter the text of our first button, that is today's hot deals. Now we can create many more buttons like this. So just click on add button and enter the text of your more buttons. Here you can see I have created two more buttons, that is how to buy and contact supports. Now if the user selects the first button, I am going to provide them the list of the today's trending product. For that, I am going to drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting the option for list. So just select it, and once you will select the list, you will get this message note. Now in this message note, you can see it is asking me to provide header, body, and footer for the list. So now let's enter a body for our list. Here you can see I have provided body to our list. Now let's add items to our list. For that, you just have to click on add section, and once you will click on add section, you will get this note to enter the section title. So now let's provide a title to our list here. Here I am providing the title as the deals of the day. Now let's add items to our list. For that, you can see we are getting the option for add item. So just click here, and it will ask you to enter the title of your item and the description. So now let's enter the title of our first item here. So here you can see I have entered my first item, that is wireless earbuds. Now I am going to add many more items to my list likewise. So just click on add items and enter the title of your items here. Here you can see I have added two more items, that is fitness smartwatch and wireless game in my list. Now if the user selects wireless earbuds, I want to provide them the details of this product with its image. So for that, I am going to drag and drop, and here I am going to select text plus button for entering the details in this message note. So now let's enter the details of this product here. Here you can see I have entered the details of this product. Now I am going to add the image of this product. For that, you can see we are getting the option for add content, and once you will click on add content, you will get the option for media. By selecting media, you can provide any type of media such as audio, video, document, etc. to your customer. So now let's select it, and here it is asking me to select media type, and as I am providing image to my customer, I am going to select media type as image. Now here it is asking me to enter or paste the URL or drag or drop the file here. So now let's drag a file here. Here you can see I am having an image named earbud. Now let's select it and open this image in this message note. Here you can see as I'm selecting this image, I have already got the URL for this image. Now let's provide a caption to our image here. Here you can see I have provided this caption to this product. Now you can provide details like this to other items also. Now let's enhance our second button, that is how to buy. For that, I am going to enter the process of buying the product in a message note. So just drag and drop, and here I am going to select text plus button for entering the message. And here you can see in this message note I have entered the process of buying the product. Now let's enroll to a third button, that is contact support. Now I am going to enter the contact details in a message note. So just drag and drop, and here I am going to select text plus button for entering the message. And as I have selected the text plus button, I have got this message note, and now I am going to enter the contact details in this message note. Here you can see in this message note I have entered the contact number, email, WhatsApp number, and timing of the retail arbitrage business. So here you can see we have created a flow for our chatbot. So you can also create a flow like this for your business by just using Pabbly Chatflow. Now for saving this flow, you just have to click on save button, and once you will click on save button, you will get this pop-up, that is flow updated successfully, means you have successfully saved your flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving message from our customer and how we are sending them the automated reply, let me take you towards my inbox section. For that, you just have to click on inbox, and once you will click on inbox, this inbox section will appear, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account. And here in this particular number, you can see I'm successfully receiving message from my customer, and our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to them. And one point is to be noticed that this is following the path which we have created through our flow. Means if a user sends us a message, we will send them an automated welcome message. Now if the user select our first button, that is today's hot deals, we are going to provide them list of the daily deals. So here you can see we are having a fully functional chatbot by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So you can also create a chatbot like this for your business by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating more chatbots like this. Thank you for watching this video.
So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt, you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries, you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue, then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.